Listen up, welcome to the Bearded Garden. On this episode, we will talk about spices, and more spices. Today, we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of African spices. Get ready to transform your garden from not bad to looking better and unlock a world of flavor that'll make your taste buds sing. First up, we've got grains of paradise, not some foo-foo ingredient, but a brilliant spice with a powerful kick. This spice, my friends, is your gut's new best buddy. Growing this beauty is a piece of cake. Just give it well-drained soil, a bit of sunshine, and watch it thrive. Trust me, a sprinkle of this in your next stew and your stomach will be thanking you. No more culinary indigestion on my watch. Next, we're cranking up the heat with the African bird's eye chili. This fiery little devil isn't for the faint of heart, but if you want to boost your metabolism and add some serious flavor, this is your go-to. Sunlight, well-drained soil, and a bit of love are all you need to grow this fiery wonder. Don't even think about underestimating its power. A little goes a long way. Now let's talk Ethiopian cardamom, a spice as beautiful as it is beneficial. This fragrant gem packs a powerful antioxidant punch, keeping you fighting fit. Growing it is a breeze. Partial shade and moist, well-drained soil are all it takes. A dash of this in your tea or coffee will not only tantalize your taste buds, but also give you a healthy boost. Chapter 4. African Basil, your anti-inflammatory friend. Next up, the robust and versatile African basil, a staple in any good cook's garden. This culinary hero isn't just delicious, it's packed with anti-inflammatory properties, perfect for fighting off those aches and pains. Give it plenty of sunshine, well-drained soil, and watch it flourish. Use it fresh or dried. This herb is about to become your new kitchen hero. Chapter 5. Kinkeliba, detoxify your way to health. Now let's talk about Kinkeliba, a true detoxifying champion. This incredible plant is your liver's new best friend, helping to flush out toxins and keep you feeling your best. Growing Kinkeliba is a doddle. It loves sunshine and well-drained soil. Brew yourself a cup of Kinkeliba tea and let this incredible plant work its magic. Chapter 6. African nutmeg, nature's pain reliever. Next we have African nutmegs, a spice with a long history of relieving pain and discomfort. This powerful spice is a must-have for any budding herbalist. It loves a bit of shade and well-drained soil. Grate a bit into your stews or soups and let its natural pain-relieving properties work their magic. Chapter 7. Let's talk about Selim pepper, a spice that's a breath of fresh air for your respiratory system. This aromatic spice can help to clear those airways and keep you breathing easy. Give it some sunshine, well-drained soil, and watch it thrive. Crush the peppercorns and add them to your stews and soups for a flavor explosion that's good for your lungs too. Chapter 8. Uziza, a spice with a real kick, is next on our list. This flavor bomb is not just delicious, it's a digestive aid that'll have your gut singing your praises. Uziza loves a bit of shade and moist, well-drained soil. Add its unique flavor to your stews and soups and enjoy the digestive benefits. Chapter 9. Next up, the vibrant and flavorful African blue basil, a true immune-boosting superstar. This culinary delight is packed with antioxidants and vitamins that'll keep your defenses strong. Plenty of sunshine and well-drained soil are all it needs to flourish. Add it to your salads, pastas, or pizzas for a flavor and health boost. Chapter 10. Now for something a little cheeky, alligator pepper, a spice with a reputation for spicing things up in the bedroom. This powerful aphrodisiac is not for the faint of heart. Grow this intriguing spice in partial shade and moist, well-drained soil. Use it sparingly in your cooking and let its effects speak for themselves. Chapter 11. Let's talk about Ashanti pepper, a spice with a powerful antimicrobial punch. This fiery spice can help to fight off those nasty bugs and keep you feeling your best. Ashanti pepper thrives in sunshine and well-drained soil. Use it in your cooking to add a kick of flavor and boost your body's defenses. Chapter 12. Next we have Calabash nutmeg, a spice renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties. This tropical gem can help to soothe your body from the inside out. Grow this exotic spice in partial shade and moist, well-drained soil. Grate it into your curries, stews, or desserts for a flavor adventure that's good for your health too. Chapter 13, Guinea pepper, get your digestion moving. Guinea pepper, a staple in West African cuisine, is next on our list. This fiery little spice isn't just delicious, it's a digestive aid that'll have your gut thanking you. Grow this versatile spice in sunshine and well-drained soil. Add it to your stews, soups, or rubs for a flavor explosion that's good for your gut. Chapter 14, Melegueta pepper, fire up your metabolism. Melegueta pepper, also known as grains of paradise, is a spice that packs a serious punch. This fiery spice is known for its metabolism-boosting properties, making it perfect for those who want to spice up their weight loss journey. Give it plenty of sunshine, well-drained soil, and watch it thrive. Add a pinch to your soups, stews, or rubs for a flavor explosion that'll get your metabolism going. Chapter 15. African cinnamon, balance your blood sugar naturally. Now, let's talk about African cinnamon, a spice that's more than just a pretty face. This aromatic spice can help to regulate your blood sugar levels, making it a great choice for those with diabetes or anyone looking for a natural way to manage their blood sugar. Grow this incredible spice in partial shade and moist, well-drained soil. Add a sprinkle to your coffee, tea, or desserts for a flavor boost that's good for you too. Next up, the aromatic and flavorful African clove basil, a natural antibacterial powerhouse. This culinary gem can help to fight off infections and keep you healthy from the inside out. Give it plenty of sunshine, well-drained soil, and watch it flourish. Add it to your soups, stews, or teas for a flavor boost that's good for your health too. African ginger, a close relative of the ginger we all know and love, is next on our list. This zesty root is known for its nausea-relieving properties, making it a must-have for anyone who suffers from motion sickness or morning sickness. Grow this versatile root in partial shade and moist, well-drained soil. Grate it into your stir-fries, soups, or teas for a flavor boost that'll soothe your stomach. African thyme, a fragrant and flavorful herb, is a must-have for any herb garden. This respiratory wonder can help to clear those airways and keep you breathing easy. Give it plenty of sunshine, well-drained soil, and watch it thrive. Add it to your soups, stews, or roasts for a flavor boost that's good for your lungs too. African turmeric, a close relative of the turmeric we all know and love, is next on our list. This vibrant root is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, making it a great choice for anyone suffering from joint pain, arthritis, or other inflammatory conditions. Grow this incredible root in partial shade and moist, well-drained soil. Add it to your curries, stews, or smoothies for a flavor boost that's good for your body. Finally, we come to African vanilla, a spice that needs no introduction. This luxurious spice is known for its mood-enhancing properties, making it the perfect ingredient for desserts and sweet treats. Growing vanilla can be a bit tricky, but it's well worth the effort. Give it partial shade, moist, well-drained soil, and a whole lot of patience. Once you've tasted true African vanilla, you'll never go back.
There you have it, you bunch of culinary heroes. 20 incredible African spices that'll transform your garden from a barren wasteland to a flavor-packed paradise. Get out there, get your hands dirty, and start growing these amazing spices today. Your taste buds will thank you for it. Don't forget to subscribe for more culinary adventures and gardening tips. Stay healthy, my friends. Hope all you are learning as I am on the daily. Take care. Now go forth and conquer the world of flavor.